Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to show you how to add a custom button to your Simplebooklet's Navbar. This feature lets you create a personalized button that links to any URL, making it easy to guide your audience to additional resources, promotions, or other content you want them to access. So we're going to get started here on the Simplebooklet dashboard, and we're going to scroll to the booklet that we want to update. Once we've found it, we're going to go ahead and click on the Design tab. From here, we're going to make our way over to the toolbar on the left-hand side and click on the Advanced button. This is where we'll toggle on our custom button. So as you can see, I already have mine toggled on here. For the purpose of this video, we'll go ahead and re-toggle it on. And then we're going to go ahead and click on the pencil icon to customize it. So this is where we'll put a label for our custom button. So this is what will appear on our custom button that our users will see. So as you can see right here on our little preview, we have the custom button with the label on it. So yeah, you can enter the text you want to display up to 12 characters. And so that is what people will be able to click. And then when they click that, it will take them to whatever URL you enter here. So I just have simplebooklet.com for this tutorial, but you can enter any URL that you want to send your users to. And that's pretty much it. Once you're happy with the label and URL, just click Done to save your changes. And your custom button is now live in your Navbar. The custom button supports the action stage of the reader's journey. By giving readers a clear, direct path to follow, this button encourages engagement, drives traffic to additional resources, and improves conversion rates. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of Simplebooklet. Thanks for watching.